All right, good morning traders. TG Watkins here. It is December 19th, Monday, when I'm recording this. And we had a couple of big moves down last week after the FOMC and Jerome Powell came out and, basically was still hawkish, but saying a lot of the same things. As far as the charts go, what we had going into that move was, big giant CPI move all the way up here. We knew that was overbought. It was well outside of the third ATR, but also what it did is it put in an inverse trampoline move. So you can see that price was over the hourly 50, but the Moxie indicator was below zero. That's an inverse trampoline move. And so we got a big move down to there. What that did on the daily chart was a 50, 200, 50 maneuver, and so now we have price down at the 50. What this looks like is a pattern that has been happening for, the last few times that we've had peaks. You can see here, peak, 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 and what they've all done is go to the daily 50, daily 50, daily 50. Now, at some point, they tend to bounce, and then they bounce up into resistance, and then they roll over again. So at this point, since we've already had two big days, that we can keep moving. We saw this back here where price went below the daily 50 for some time. But somewhere around here, I would be looking for a bounce. Again, we'll just have to wait and see when that shapes up, probably on the 15-minute time frame. But then I would be looking for a little bit of a bounce, like a bounce, and we'll see about a bounce, and if that bounce actually becomes shortable. So just keep in mind also that we have the holiday season upon us, and so volume is going to be probably drying up. This week is a full week, but next Monday, the Monday after Christmas, is off. It's closed. So I do keep that in mind. And then let me just show you on the Dow. Also been watching this one quite a bit. So there was also an inverse trampoline move here on the hourly chart. There was also one back here. So remember, price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie indicator is below zero. And we've come all the way back down to the 50. So there was a big gap here between price and the daily 50. And then also just noticing this trend line, which has been working out pretty well. Price closed Friday right on it. Now, is that going to be important or not? We don't know yet, but just wanted to kind of point that out, that it is sitting right on it. So generally, somewhere around here, I would be looking for a bounce. Of course, we can't tell it yet, so watch the 15-minute time frame to see when price, puts in a double bottom on that time frame. You get some positive divergence, and then price actually engages with some moving averages to get a move to the upside. Don't know when that's going to happen, but I would keep an eye out for that since price has been pushed down pretty far for the last couple days. All right, guys, we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis.